Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Siri not responding to voice on iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you are talking to Siri but it is not responding to your voice in iPhone in iOS 18, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device, and then you have to go to the general section and now tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you like this, simply update it, and after this go back and now scroll it below and tap on language and region, and tap on region and select your country or region correctly, and then go back and now tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now you have to go to screen time, and from here scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here, and then go back and now go to Siri, and from here you have to tap on talk to Siri from here, and from here if it is off you have to simply check this to Hey Siri or Hey Siri. Here you can see this, you can select any one from here, and if it is off you have to check them to Hey Siri. So guys, once you are here, then go back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply check whether your mic of your iPhone is working properly or not. And if it is not working properly, then you have to repair the mic of your iPhone, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.